Welcome, here I've got Lenovo Tab E7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to the left to these buttons and pick the third one to open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have store location option, so by using this button we can turn it off if we don't need it or turn it on once again. And when we want to turn this on, we get the question from the device to remember photo locations with the information that this tag photos and videos with the locations where they were taken. And also here we can see that the other apps can access this information along with the saved images. So we have to agree to that by tapping on yes. And now we go direct to the location service of this device. So to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the location, and here we can turn it on and off. Also in the app level permissions, we can check that the camera is turned on, so we have to allow the camera to use the location of this device. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.